Hello everyone, I am your master educator. In my previous video, I already showed you on how to create pie chart in PowerPoint 2016. Today, I will teach you on how to format pie chart. Pie charts are generally used to show percentage or proportional data, and usually the percentage by each category is provided next to the corresponding slice of pie. Pie charts are good for displaying data for around 6 categories or fewer. And here are the steps on how to create a simple pie chart from scratch in PowerPoint. Firstly, click Insert Chart and click the arrows to scroll through the chart types. There are various of pie chart types to choose. These are Simple Pie Chart, 3D Pie Chart, Pie of Pie, Bar of Pie, and the Doughnut Pie. For now we will pick the Simple Pie Chart. Then click OK, pop out. In the spreadsheet that appears, replace the placeholder data with your own information. When you are finished, close the spreadsheet. Here are the steps on how to change the data in an existing chart. Firstly, on the slide, select the chart that want to change. The Chart Tools contextual tab appears at the top of the PowerPoint window. Secondly, under Chart Tools, on the Design tab, in the Data group, there are 2 options. You can choose either Edit Data or Edit Data in Excel. The difference is the Edit Data in Excel shows the Excel Tool tab above. For now, we will click Edit Data in Excel. Lastly, make the changes you want. Then close the spreadsheet. Now, let us add pie elements. Here are the steps on how to add pie elements. Firstly, on the slide, select the chart that you want to change. The Chart Tools contextual tab appears at the top of the PowerPoint window. Secondly, under Chart Tools, on the Design tab, click the Add Chart element found in the upper left-hand side. Then expand. You can either add chart title, add data labels, or add legend. First, let us try to add chart title. You can also click the More options if you want to format your chart title. Next we will add data labels. Click the Add Data Labels. Format it either center, inside and outside, and best fit a data callout. You can also pick more data views for other formatting options. Lastly, let us add the chart legend. You can either put it on right, top, left, or bottom of the chart, or you can choose more legend options for formatting. Again, I am your master educator. I believe education is the most important tool you can receive that can bring you most success in society today. Education lessens the challenges you will face in life. The more knowledge you gain, the more opportunities will open up to allow individuals to achieve better possibilities in career. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, click the notification bell for you to notified not every time I upload